Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a DMG CTX-510 turning center for you today. A couple key features. Machine is equipped with a 15-inch chuck, steady rest, tailstock, and quill. It does have a 12-station turret. Machine is also equipped with a 32IM Fanuc control. We are going to run the machine for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. Get a close-up of the control. Everything's really clean inside and out. We'll do a quick wrap around. There you have it, guys. That was a DMG CTX-510 turning center. If you have any questions, you want to see any more photos, videos, feel free to let me know. Give me a call, 909-919-9600, or visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, you enjoyed the video, you like this machine, remember to leave a like on the video, comment, and subscribe. As usual, guys, thank you for watching.